Hello beautiful people, I'm back with another video, and today I bring to you a very simple DIY oil which is a must for your skin and hair during these dry winter months. Now all you need for this recipe is these are carrots which I have dried in the sun. I have taken 2 carrots. These are English carrots. I have not taken the desi ones, and I just chopped them up and sun dried it for 3-4 days till they came to this dry consistency. They're really dry, not chips dry but really dry. The reason for doing this is when you make an oil, if it's from a fresh ingredient, what you have to do is you tend to cook it directly on heat, and that way I believe that the properties get lost by a certain percentage, which might not be helpful. Hence what I did is, here the loss of nutrition or lot of nutrients is not as high as how it would be under direct heat. So here I've just dried them up. All I'm going to do is I'm going to cook this on a double boiler, and I'm going to cook it with some base oil. Now for this preparation you can take any kind of base oil. I am taking coconut oil, but you can take olive oil, almond oil, any kind of carrier oil which you would like to use for your skin and hair. I prefer coconut oil, especially during winters. I'm taking the Patanjali brand. The reason why I'm taking this is because this is what was available at the store near me, and I don't want to take any kind of virgin coconut oil because anyways I'm going to heat it up. I may be wrong that you should not be heating your virgin coconut oils or virgin oils, but I thought that if I'm just using it for my skin and hair and I'm going to heat it anyways, it's a DIY, might as well use a processed coconut oil. So I'm using Patanjali. Patanjali is a little better than Parachute in terms of fragrance, I have to say that. Okay, so let's now move to the procedure of how we cook this one. So here I have water on boil. I'm just going to place a container on top of it and pour in about 50 ml of oil, because I have taken 2 carrots. Please pardon the noise in the background. So that looks about 50 ml, and I'm going to pour in the carrots. So what we're going to do is we're going to keep this on a double boiler for approximately 10 minutes. Once we've kept it for 10 minutes, it's boiled well and they've soaked in all the nutrients in the oil, we'll switch off the gas and then we'll allow this to cool. Okay, so I boiled this oil for about 10 minutes on a double boiler. Now I've brought this vessel out in the sun. I'm going to keep it in the sun for another, say, a day or two. I have to tell you, it smells amazing. My entire house smells of carrot and coconut oil, and it already smells like Christmas. So I'm going to keep this for 2 days and then transfer it over in a jar and then start using it. So here's the carrot oil after 3 days of sun. I'm going to start using this carrot oil, mix it with my moisturizers, my body lotion, apply it on its own, use it on face packs, and do give this a try. This will ensure a great glow, especially required during winters, and also give your body, your skin, that extra boost that it requires, and so that it looks hydrated. So that's it from me. Thank you guys. Bye.